The word kish, used for the staple throughout the Middle East, comes from the Persian kash. It is a common food in Lebanon, Syria, Palestine, and Turkey. Kish season starts in the summer when milk production is at its best and the sun heat at its peak. This sweet and milk-based fermented product has been prepared and consumed in Lebanon since the 10th century, mainly in the Bekaa region where wheat is grown and then harvested starting June. It is prepared with cow, sheep, or goat milk. Ancient preparation of kash mixes cereals or grains commonly known as burgle that is made from parboiled cracked wheat with low-fat yogurt or the buttermilk of churned full-fat yogurt, fermenting naturally and then dries it in the sun. After drying, it can be made in a variety of forms like rolled into balls, sliced into strips, and formed into chunks.
The main ingredient to make kishk is sour yogurt, salt, and water. Sour yogurt, or in this region known as katik, is a fermented milk product which is popular in Turkey country. Generally, yogurt is made via the inoculation of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus prior to a fermentation period. The yogurt produced with no artificial preservative will be let at room temperature to induce and promote separation between curdled protein of yogurt and the whey as the fermentation takes place. This fermented yogurt will be watered down before being boiled to a desired curdling texture. The curd will be strained out from the whey and boiled up into a marshmallow-like delicacy. This delicacy is called kishk. Usually, kishk is reblended with some water and salt to a porridge-like meal and can be consumed as it is.
During the preparation of kishk, 3% of starter culture, usually inoculated after parboiled wheat and labanzir, is being cooled at 40 degrees Celsius. Starter culture used in kishk making is a thermophilic starter with the optimum growth at 33 to 43 degrees Celsius. A dense population of taste-producing bacteria, primarily Bacillus subtilis, forms and significantly increases the substrate's reducing sugar concentration. When ground wheat is mixed with the very acidic labanzir, the reducing sugars offer the energy source for the development of the lactic acid bacteria and yeast present in labanzir, while the high acidity completely inhibits the spore formers and other bacteria on the wheat.
It is worth noting that the Egyptian quiche is quite different from its Palestinian and Lebanese counterparts, with which the name is the only common element, while the ingredients and steps are different. Though all quiche in Lebanon is powdery in texture, the taste varies widely depending on the type of ingredients used in quiche making. Quiche or kash comes in dried or liquid form by reconstituting it with water. It is similar to whey and has a deep and tangy flavor. It is commonly used as dips such as kashke badamjun, which is the Middle Eastern eggplant dip, and is eaten with toasted pita bread or cracker. Other than that, it can also be served as thick stew-like soups such as kale jush.